Hello guys, in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not login in less than 1 minute. So first thing you wanna do, open settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then go to the Instagram, click on the force stop option and then go down to the storage, click on this clear cache option and then click on clear data. After that you have to go back and then click on the power usage details, go to the power consumption alert, disable it and then enable it again. After that you have to open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS. Search for Instagram and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.